Okay, this is a short video, just an update on the lifts, the three lifts. So you can see now the lifts look a lot different from if we go over here. So that's lift 3, this is lift 2, and this is lift 1. So functionality and everything is the same. The only difference is you notice these new assets that I've just added to the scene. And like I said, you could add your own mesh and put whatever you want together. So for example, these steel frames are just from Fab Store, and I just stacked them to the length of the where the lift goes. On this platform here, I just got a pallet, and you can see underneath there's just a long pole with a piece like a base thing, that I just attached to it within the blueprint. So if I go into it, let's go blueprints, lifts, lift 1. We go to viewport. You can see it's got this pole, and then I just put some kind of jug thing, and I just kind of deformed it a little, and then just the palette. So it's the same functionality that we had. Like nothing's changed. It's just visually. It's the only thing that changes the visuals. So instead of a cube, just a standard cube, I've just put this palette here. And it's two palettes kind of combined together, and then you got this kind of additional mesh. So let's hit play so you can see. Let's hit play. Easier to play so you can see it working, and we can walk around. But this is just a visual update. Yeah, it'd be good to share if you have a link to your examples or what you built, so you can see I just added a decal for blood, just like maybe someone got splattered or something before by the lift. But it's the same lift that works with going up and down. Again, it's just decorated. I still have to do the buttons. Apart from that, all the functionality is the same. So I've got a little control panel up here. We can send the lift down, and we can call it back up. We just wait a second. There we go. And let's go back down. Let's go on the pallet. So jump on the pallet. Yeah, so it's a lot more interesting using this palette rather than just being a cube. But again, it's just the same. It is just the exact same functionality. Let's jump off where you can see it working. And I also attached this pole, so it looks like it's not just a floating palette. It wouldn't make no sense if it was a floating palette. So I did this like kind of steel bollard and just kind of stretched it out. So that comes out the ground. And then the third lift I'm currently working on, the look of it. And you may have noticed I've actually added doors on this one. The logic, once I finish it, I will show you the logic for the doors. But as you can see, I can go in. The doors are a bit delayed, and can go out, and it works the same way. We go to floor 2, so we're going up to floor 2. And you can see I just kit bash put like it's just a Quixel. They're just Quixel meshes that just stuck together. Nothing too complicated. If we hit G, door should close behind us. And then this one opens again. You can go back. So there's a slight delay with the door opening and closing. But like I said, if I go to there, and then here we go. So I'm still working on that. I'll polish it. Once I polish it, I'll explain and show you what I've done. If the changes I've done, the logic for the buttons and the lift still works the same, and you can set the heights and everything the same way. The only new thing is these doors, these two doors that I've added, and I will update these. They won't be these wooden panels. They'll probably be like a gate, that you'll see through, so you can see out when we're going out. up, and but I want them to close and then open on that side and close on this side, to work properly without a delay. Yeah, so that's about it. So just an update there. And also I'll make another video. In the next video I'll also do fall damage, because what happens if we get on the lift here and then we need some kind of consequence if someone decides to, boom, we can't be saying, oh, we're indestructible, right? There has to be a consequences to jumping. This one, that will be a short video, maybe 5-10 minutes long. It's not too difficult. We'll just add that into our into our game. Yeah, there you go. Anyway, enjoy your evening, morning, night. Bye bye. This is just an update, like I said. Okay.